So I'm gonna sit down with him and kind of negotiate it out. Like, not like, hey, this is where we need to be, but like show him his options, because that's kind of how I like to talk to people. Like, bro, you don't have to sell this thing to cash. Like, you can get way more if you list it. I just like to give people options so I feel like we're not pressuring it all.
We look the same way.
Yeah, you do the same thing. Yeah, so it's like,
so we do our direct marketing as well, but I mean, for us, we just can't buy enough to, you know, keep all the money moving. I think I told you a little bit. Like, Redwood's got $250 million to move, and so we just have to keep money moving as quickly as we can.
Oh, that's crazy.
So that's what I kind of told him. It's like, dude, all these other people are lowballing you. Like, they can't compete with what we can do.
And we'll take it tight. I need 8% gross margin on the money, and that's all I need.
Yeah.
So
I'll kind of sit down. I was going to sit down with him and break it down if he wanted to see his options. But really, you just got to look and see what you would be at. And then we can kind of discuss where you're at, and we'll see if we can get it lower.
Yeah, no, that works for me.
Great.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
My name's Nathan. I was texting you.
Yeah.
Is it okay for us to come in?
Yeah.
So we all work together. He buys, and we kind of like stopping and looking around.
Well, I had a quarter living here
Oh, so you're just down here for
to clear this out and sell it.
So are you putting on Facebook Marketplace or doing
All kinds of stuff, but I have an estate sale in 2 weeks.
Okay.
So it's all handled.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I bet it's been a lot of work to.
Oh, it was up to the ceiling. It was horrible. And the garage is absolutely packed full.
Oh, is there a garage back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't mind, just take a look around. You know, honestly.
And then this is my real estate agent. If you want to,
Okay.
any kind of offers, has to go through him.
Are you Did you already sign with him and everything? Okay, so you probably ran your offers by, like that you received by him already. Has he thought about just listing it? Like, okay, is that what you think?
We don't know. We're going to decide that in a couple of weeks.
Okay.
When I get the estate sale done, then we'll find out. And we're doing one thing at a time.
Yeah.
So I haven't been. I let one group in here, actually 2 groups in here, to see it when it was all
Yeah.
up to here, and I think that the offers reflected that.
What did, if you don't mind, do you know what they offered, just so we don't like the
300 and 315.
300? Okay. And you were like not even close.
Hell no.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Do you obviously we'll make our offer, but I don't want to offend you or the agent. Do you
Sure.
have an idea of like
over 400 for sure.
400 cash? Like if
Well,
there doesn't
probably more than that. I mean, Zillow says it's worth 487.
Okay.
So, you know,
Yeah, I guess you never.
but that is all fixed up and pretty.
Yeah, you know how to do it.
Yeah. I've sold houses before, so
Yeah, so
and
you,
fixed up houses. So
have you thought about fixing this one up yourself?
absolutely.
You've explored all your options, huh?
Well, we're working on it. You guys, you contacted me and I went, oh,
Why not? You might as well,
all
right? So you're saying, like, if anyone were to come in and say, hey, don't even worry about the stuff, we'll take it as is, and they gave you, you know, let's just say 380, close to 400,000, you'd say, no, I'm gonna get the estate sale done. Is there like a price where, I don't even know what, we haven't seen the house, so I'm just curious, like, is there somewhere it's like, hey, I don't even need to do the estate sale, if you guys can buy it right now, and you take everything and you junk it or sell it yourself?
Don't junk it because it's all brand new.
Okay.
We bought everything off of, I mean, there's $10,000 worth of brand new stuff here.
Okay.
So
So then you're probably thinking like, hey, you want to do the estate sale no
I'm
matter
gonna do
what
the
offer.
estate sale. I'm cleaning it out. After the estate sale, I'll think about selling it.
Okay.
So if you want to give an offer,
Yeah.
that's fine. We can maybe even have it all settled by then.
Yeah.
But that's
okay.
my agent. He's
Well, that's helpful
a
to know.
really nice guy. So anyway, living room,
Okay.
dining room. Okay, you have a garage. We'll just detach it to see that back door.
Okay.
It's all steel construction, including the roof on it. So these are the original cabinets.
I don't think I've ever seen those before.
They're metal cabinets. Oh yeah.
Have you seen these before?
Yeah, the next door neighbor has them brand new, and I actually had. This house was all wallpapered with wallpaper borders and everything when I bought it in 1991.
Well, I'm in the subdivision. It was like
Yes.
a thing in the subdivision. Like, I don't know why. Because we've done a couple in here, and they all have these type of cabinets. You don't see them very often.
But I painted them and did the squigglies on it to match the wallpaper that you can see here. But I've taken down the wallpaper I put up now
Okay.
and started working on it. But brand new water heater, not even a week old. Great furnace. Flash out of here. So we get 115 degrees out of the air vents last week. So yeah, and I've had it inspected. There's something you know, nothing serious.
Yeah.
But there's some things with the electrical, which is right here.
Yeah, needs new electrical.
Yeah. Well, it's a new box. Yeah. It needs a new box. And
Swamp cooler.
you can no swamp cooler. Took it out. It's got air conditioning.
Okay.
Got central air condenser on the side of the house over here.
Okay.
Took it out, so that hole will need to be covered over, but it has a pillow up in it. One of those things you get from the Home Depot to seal it off. Did have a hot wood burning stove in the living room. Just took it out last Saturday. Okay. I used it once, and with the restrictions on burning, it's easier to put in when we're insert things. Okay. And heat up. So that's that. So this used to be a hall closet. The coat closets. Took it out, put the fridge in there. It opens up the kitchen a lot. Okay. First bedroom. It needs trim, it needs closet doors, it needs baseboards, all that. Kitchen needs to be redone, and then floors need to be redone.
Since you flipped quite a few houses, you're saying, what do you think are rehab on this to get it to
Probably 20,000.
20,000 to do?
Without, that's just on materials, not labor. Half bath, you can open and look at it again if you want. The full bath, needs some work. Yeah, the closet used to be up here. There's two closets, and we took the closet out of that bedroom, made a different one, took it around so there's double closets here, and there's an extra large closet in there. Bedroom there. So yeah, I did some work on it. Okay. Yeah, there's a hole in the floor. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Needs some work.
Nice.
I said, remember, bathroom needs some work.
Yeah. So you're looking, you got the state sale 2 weeks, was that'll bring us into April.
Yeah, and then Easter's on Sunday,
Uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
we're not having a sale on Easter.
Of course, yeah. Day of rest, and you're gonna go to rest.
I guess.
So, obviously you guys are just gonna talk it out and see what works best.
Yeah.
It's interesting. You could obviously is he getting like 6% of the commission?
Oh God, no, not
No?
that much.
Okay, three. Okay, because usually what we do is if an agent since we're not really represented, we just say, hey, will you represent us in the transaction? That way they're able to.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, because we're not represented.
Okay.
So that saves you, 3. Well, it depends if you to pay 2, 2.5, 3%.
But I want to make sure he gets paid,
Yeah.
and I'll make sure that happens.
Good.
You
Okay.
know, and whatever it turns out to be. He's also doing my estate sale.
Oh, he
He
is.
does both. But yeah, he does. They do the estate sale and the whole thing. So this has 1,222 square feet,
Okay.
3 bedrooms, bathroom and a half, detached car garage on a quarter of an acre.
And then you said the garage,
You can
full,
look at it
but
if you
it's
want.
yeah.
It's packed to the gills
Okay. Not necessary.
with brand new stuff. So
I'm excited for you.
Yeah,
to be
I saw the
honest.
swimming pool yesterday. There was 2 of them.
I'm excited to kind of see what kind of money you'll make at the
we'll
estate
see.
sale. It'll probably be pretty good.
He said 7,000 to 10,000.
Yeah, from all the stuff in here.
So we'll see.
That'll work. Well, do you need to see anything else?
It's really a simple little house.
It's simple. It seems like it's a
got
cosmetic
it's got
and
brick. It's all cosmetics. Yeah, even the floors.
you got to do. Obviously, the bathrooms will be rehabs and
Yeah.
kitchens, but other than that,
That's it.
you paint and clean.
Just some painting and cleaning, and all the baseboards need to be replaced. And
Yeah, these are the old ones.
because I pulled them out.
Do you guys usually get brand new doors too?
Yeah, they need it.
Yeah.
Do the decorative doors, right?
Oh yeah.
Is there anything that's would set us apart from other offers? Is there something like timeline? Is it just the price and then if you
Well, I
get-
had the 2 offers, and I said no way, and
course.
haven't done it. Even talking since.
Okay. But nothing other than if you can get the price you want and close. Is it like a close by the end of April? Is it close mid? Do you have an idea? or care?
I'd rather have it mid rather than later.
Okay, mid.
Yeah.
So if we can get something done mid-April, work with him, get it all.
I mean, you guys put an offer in with him, and And I mean, we might have it all wrapped up in the next 2 weeks, you know?
Yeah. Worse than that, you might even be able to get out of here sooner.
Right after, yeah, that'd be great.
We'll talk.
I would not complain about that.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I know you.
But I'll have it all cleaned up, the windows washed and all that good stuff. Yeah, I've got your text messages.
We won't offend you with one of those low ball offers. Don't even worry about it. It's not even worth it.
I waste your time and mine.
Yeah.
Thanks for your drive down here.
I appreciate you letting us come in.
No problem. You have a nice day.
We'll see you.